In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kucoin account and complete the KYC verification process. If you're looking to tap into the world of cryptocurrency trading on Kucoin, then you're in the right place. We'll go through each step, ensuring you have a smooth experience right from signing up to verifying your identity. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Kucoin website. You can do this by typing kucoin.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Kucoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, and accessing their official website is crucial for security and to ensure you're on the right track. Once you arrive at the homepage, the next step is to click on the Create Account button. This button is usually prominently displayed to guide new users. By clicking this, you'll be directed to the sign-up page where you can begin the registration process. Now, you have a few options to choose from for creating your account. You can either use your email or phone number to sign up, or you can choose to continue using third-party accounts. To proceed, you might see the option, or continue with. This is where you can opt to sign in using your existing accounts like Google or Facebook, providing a more streamlined and quicker registration process if you prefer not to use email or phone. With your initial registration complete, it's time to navigate to your profile. On the Kucoin platform, you can locate your profile icon, usually visible on the upper part of the dashboard. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu or take you to your user settings. Within your profile, you'll see options related to your account management. What we want to focus on is identity verification, often labeled as Identify Verification or something similar. Click on this option to begin your KYC or Know Your Customer process. Completing your identity verification is an important step, especially if you want to increase withdrawal limits and improve overall account security. This process usually involves submitting government-issued identification documents and possibly a selfie or additional verification to confirm your identity. Follow the prompts and instructions provided by Kucoin. They will guide you through uploading necessary documents and completing your KYC process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a Kucoin account set up with your identity verification in progress. Remember, taking these steps not only helps with increasing your transaction capabilities, but also enhances the security of your account, providing you with peace of mind as you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on Kucoin.